Hey there, it's Marty Fraser, the bearded realtor with Bosley Real Estate. Today, Jody Darcy and I are showcasing our next listing here at 60 Frederick Street, Unit 1805 in downtown Kitchener. This 18th floor bungalow-style condo has easterly views and was built in 2022. Let's go in and have a look around. This one-bedroom, one-bath condo is about 500 square feet and includes 6 appliances. The main area has an open concept kitchen, living and dining area with lofty ceilings and expansive windows. The kitchen has ample cabinetry, quartz countertops, and 4 stainless steel appliances. From this balcony door, we have a 2-person balcony on the 18th floor with amazing easterly views. Across the way, we have our primary bedroom with large windows and built-in closet features. The main bathroom has a tiled shower with glass door. We have tile floors and in-suite stackable laundry. According to Google Maps, 60 Frederick in downtown Kitchener is just a 1-minute walk to the Frederick LRT station and the Kitchener Market Square, 5-minute walk to the Apollo Cinema, 6 minutes to the Kitchener Public Library, 7-minute walk to the center in the square, and there are many more walkable points of interest. Down on level P2, we have our storage locker number 73. Other amenities at 60 Frederick include a concierge desk, yoga room, exercise room, party room, and a landscaped rooftop terrace. Wasn't that a spectacular condo? We have a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom bungalow-style condo with locker, amazing views, and concierge. Are you interested in this condo? Please call me to set up an appointment. I'd love to meet you in person, shake your hand, and bring you through this great home.